Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see company reviews on Indeed job search. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in to your Indeed account using your credentials. This ensures you have full access to all the features and company information available on the platform. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top navigation bar of the page. You'll notice several options displayed there. Look for and click on Company Reviews. This section is specifically designed to help job seekers research potential employers by reading authentic feedback from current and former employees, giving you valuable insights before applying to any position. Once you're in the Company Reviews section, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed on the page. Click on this search bar to activate it, and then type in the name of the company you want to research. This could be any organization you're considering applying to or simply curious about. The search function allows you to quickly find specific companies from Indeed's extensive database of employer reviews. After entering the company name and initiating the search, you'll be taken to that company's dedicated page. Now scroll down through the page until you locate the section labeled Review or Reviews. This is where all the employee feedback is compiled and organized for you to explore. The Reviews section contains detailed information about what it's like to work at that company, including work environment, management style, salary satisfaction, and much more. In this reviews section, you'll find all the feedback that current and former employees have shared about their experiences with the company. Each review typically includes ratings on different aspects of the workplace, written comments about the pros and cons of working there, and sometimes even information about specific roles or departments. Take your time reading through these reviews to get a comprehensive understanding of the company culture and whether it might be a good fit for you. And that's it. You've successfully accessed company reviews on Indeed, giving you the inside information you need to make informed career decisions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.